Compass Communications Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Compass Communications plans and services are in the description. Let's get straight into it. Compass Communications is a New Zealand-based internet provider offering broadband, landline and mobile services. It caters to residential, business and rural customers with a range of plans, including fibre, ADSL, VDSL and wireless broadband. One of its key selling points is affordability, often providing some of the most competitively priced plans in the market. Compass also offers bundle deals that combine internet with home phone or mobile services for added savings. Strengths include a wide variety of broadband options, making it suitable for users in both urban and rural areas. The provider's pricing is budget-friendly, and it offers flexible contract terms, including both short-term and long-term plans. Compass also provides VoIP phone services, which can be a cost-effective alternative to traditional landlines. However, there are weaknesses. While pricing is competitive, speeds and network performance may not always match premium providers like Orcon or 2degrees, particularly during peak hours. Customer service reviews are mixed, with some users reporting delays in technical support and issue resolution. Additionally, modem rental and setup fees may apply, increasing the upfront cost for new customers. Another factor to consider is that while Compass offers good rural broadband options, coverage can be inconsistent depending on location. Overall, Compass Communications is a solid choice for those looking for affordable internet with flexible plan options, especially for rural users or those on a budget. If you prioritize premium speeds and top-tier customer service, other providers may be a better fit. Check the links in the description for Compass Communications plans and see if it's the right choice for you.